Good morning. So, chemistry second year, English medium. So, our unit is D and black elements and coordination compounds. Our topic is bonding in coordination compounds. So, let's apply the valency bond theory for the coordination compounds. Then the first example for VBT is here is what the CO and H3 taken 6 plus 3 hexamine cobalt 3 ion, hexamine cobalt 3 ion. Then is a cobalt atomic number is 27 3d7 4s2. Then when plus 3 oxidation state, here is a 3d6 4s0 and 4p0. Then in presence of ammonia ligands, then the d orbitals of here is a CO plus 3 cobalt ion is what this is a unpaired electrons can be paired up against Hund's rule. Then yes, here is what, then again here is a 4s and a 4p, these are 2 d orbitals, then here is a 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals involved in D2 sp3 hybridization. Then yes, what happens then because of the D2 sp3 hybridization, yes, here is 6 D2 sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed which are vacant 6 D2 sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed. So these are having equivalent in energy. Then so these vacant D2 sp3 hybrid orbitals, yes, overlaps with the here is ligand orbitals of here is ammonia. Here is nitrogen is having a pair of electrons. Then so due to this reason 6 ammonia ligands can donate 6 pairs of electrons to D2 sp3 hybridization. As a result of that, here is a metal ligand sigma bond is formed. Then so when you observe the hybridization in the hexamine cobalt 3 ion, so D2 sp3 hybridization is results the octahedral geometry. Then next one, here is a while hybridization is the inner d orbitals n-1 d orbitals involved. That's why so this is called inner d orbital complex. Next one, so when you observe the here is what here is a electron configuration, then in D2 sp3 as well as here is what is d orbitals of the is a CO plus 3, all electrons are paired up. So there is no unpaired electrons. That's why the CO and H3 taken 6 plus 3 hexamine cobalt 3 ion is diamagnetic in nature. Then next one, another complex ion is hexafluorocobaltate 3 ion. Then again here is what a cobalt electron configuration. Then when it is in atomic condition 3d7 4s2. Then in hexafluorocobaltate 3 ion, cobalt exhibits plus 3 oxidation state. Then so in plus 3 oxidation state, then the electrons in yes d and s orbitals is like this 3d6 4s0 4p0 and 4d0. So this is the orbital picture in the CO plus 3 state. Okay. Then next one, in presence of fluoroligands, while formation of hexafluorocobaltate 3 ion is a 6 fluoroligands approach the here is a cobalt, then that's cobalt ion. That's why here is what d orbitals. These are d orbitals cannot be yes which are having here is a electrons cannot be changed. Then there is a 4s orbital and 3 4p orbitals. Next one is a 2 4d orbitals involved in hybridization in presence of fluoroligands. Then so that hybridization is called here is sp3d2, 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 2 d orbitals. sp3d2 hybridization. As a sp3d2 hybridization, as a result of sp3d2, then yes, there is a how many hybrid orbitals are formed? There is a 6 hybrid orbitals are formed which are vacant. These 6 hybrid orbitals overlaps with the 6 fluoroligands. 6 fluoroligands. Then the fluoroligands can donate the electron pairs to the, yes, here is what, cobalt plus 3 ion in hexafluorocobaltate 3. As a result of that, there is a metal ligand bond is formed. Then yes, because of sp3d2 hybridization, yes, here is it is octahedral complex. Octahedral complex. Next one, here is, this is outer d orbital complex. Why outer d orbital complex? Then yes, in hybridization is nd orbitals. nd orbitals involved in hybridization. That's why this is outer d orbital complex. Next one, yes, when you observe the, here is electrons distribution in orbitals, especially here is d orbitals of CO plus 3, then here is unpaired electrons. 4 unpaired electrons are existed. Then because of the presence of unpaired electrons, it is paramagnetic in nature. Then next one, here is this is also called as, here is a high spin complex. High spin complex. So why these unpaired electrons cannot be affected in presence of fluoroligands is, then as a fluoroligand is a weak ligand. In presence of weak ligand, yes, there is no influence on, here is a inner d orbitals. That's why is a electron distribution is as usual. Then only here is a outer d orbitals participated in hybridization, then sp3d2 is happened. That's why here is a outer d orbital complex. Then magnetic behavior is paramagnetic. Then here is a high spin complex. Then next one, another example is, here is a tetracyanonickelate 2 ion. Nickelate, because coordination sphere carries the negative charge, 8 suffix is added to the central metal ion. Yes, that's why tetracyanonickelate 2 ion. Then as a nickel, atomic number is 28. Then 3d8, here is a 4s2. Yes, in this complex ion, as a nickel is existed in +2 oxidation state. Then so 3d8, 4s0, 4p0. Then next one, in presence of cyanoligands, what happens is, then is a inner d orbitals, that is n-1 d orbitals are influenced. As a result of that, yes, these unpaired electrons can be paired up. 8 electrons are here in as a d orbitals. These 8 electrons can be paired as 4. Then yes, electron pairing is against Hund's rule in presence of cyanoligands, because cyanoligand is strong ligand. Then next one is a 1 d orbital is empty. This d orbital, 3d orbital, 4s and 2 4p orbitals involved in dsp2 hybridization. dsp2 hybridization. So because of dsp2 hybridization, then yes, the shape of the molecule is what? It is a square planar. These are dsp2 hybrid orbitals which are vacant can be arranged around the nickel ion as square planar geometry. Then yes, these vacant dsp2 hybrid orbitals overlaps with the cyanoligands. As a result of that, is a tetracyanonickelate 2 ion complex. Here is a complex ion is formed. Then so because of dsp2 hybridization, it is a square planar complex. Then so when you observe the electron electron arrangement distribution in is a tetracyanonickelate 2, then is all electrons can be paired up. That's why this is diamagnetic in nature. Then this is for the what 4 coordinated complex. Then first are CONH3 taken 6 is a 6 coordinated complex. This is also 6 coordinated complex. This is a 4 coordinated complex.